Hey YouTube, this is SDestiny12 coming at you today with another video. I am going to do 30 videos in 30 days. So hopefully in 30 days I will have 30 different topics, and it's not going to all be about natural hair, of course, because I don't really have that much to say about my natural hair, but it'll be different topics that go on in my life, day-to-day life. So today, the first topic is Facebook and children. The other day, Sunday, I was on the phone talking to my aunt, and my aunt was like, yeah, I talked to one of the girls from the church, and she said that your daughter, and I'm going to leave out their name, so that's why I'm saying it like this, but she said that your daughter contacted her on Facebook to ask her to get her hair braided for back to school. So I'm thinking to myself, oh, she don't have no Facebook page, so how she get in contact with her on Facebook? So I continue my conversation with my aunt, but immediately after the phone call, I go downstairs and I ask my 10-year-old daughter, do you have a Facebook page? And she said, yeah, Ma. And I was like, well, you know my rule, don't you? No Facebook pages. I have a 14-year-old daughter and a 10-year-old, and they are not allowed to do Facebook. And I say that because some things on Facebook I can't even handle, some conversations that be going on, and I am friends with a couple of my 14-year-old's friends on Facebook, and I guess they forget that they have adults as their friends, and their status messages are terrible, like all over the place, and unfortunately I can't get in touch with their parent to let them know what's going on. You know, they talk about being in love and relationships, F my life, this bitch, and y'all know what that is, here and cussing there, and just grown folks business that should not be done on Facebook. I had one of them a while back, sometime in the springtime, post pictures of herself in her unmentionables, and when I saw that, because I had her sister's phone number, I called her immediately and told her to get those pictures off of the internet. So that's my reasoning for my daughters not being on Facebook, because they're not responsible enough to not just to not post pictures of themselves in things that they shouldn't be in online, and they think there's no parental guidelines for Facebook, so they post status messages that are just out of control. Not only that, but also, you know, I want to, also as children, as little girls, once you set a bad reputation for yourself, you can't come back from that. I know you all have friends from high school, even junior high school, some elementary school, that if you see them now, I'm 35, and if I see that person now, I think back to her reputation back in high school. She was a, you know what I'm saying? So I just don't want my kids to be exposed to that right now. So I was talking to a friend about it, and he has a son, and he asked me what is an appropriate age for Facebook. I mean, I told him 18, because you need to be out of my house if you're going to be talking like that. But we agreed that being 16 would be a good age for a Facebook account. So I was just wondering, what do you guys think? If you do have children and that are around my kids' age, or even younger, because I do know that some younger children have it, would you allow them to do Facebook? And if you do you monitor, are you able to monitor their page enough that things don't slip through the cracks, like pictures, like status messages that have lewd and cussing words in them? I mean, that it's just too grown for me. So I would like to know your opinion, and that is my first entry for my 30 days of videos. I hope you guys follow with me, okay? And if you want to check out my blog on, you know, just different life-changing articles and self-help articles, and I'm about to start a series on the relationship that I have with my parents and how I had to overcome some reservations about my relationship with my parents, you can follow me on my blog at www.ShavonBrimage.com. I'll put the link below, and I hope to see you there. If you see something you like, please leave a comment on the blog or on my YouTube page. Hope everyone is having a lovely summer. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!